Hi, my name is Walter, and this is a progress report for my robotic arm that I've been building. So far, I have it all wired up now, and I just need to figure out the software to make it work. But right now, I can make all the motors turn and the fingers move up and down. So if I just plug this in and turn this basically on, the fingers will move up and down because of the strings pulling up from the motor. So it basically just mimics the normal human arm because we also have tendons that we use tendons to pull our fingers up and down together. So it's really similar to this. In the future, I'm gonna make it so that if you say some specific words, the hand moves to a specific motion. Like a thumbs up or thumbs down. Yeah. So that's about it. Any questions? Yes.
How long has this have you worked on this project?
Too long.
Alright.
Any other questions? Okay, yeah.
What's the most challenging part of it so far?
Other than all of it was hard. The most challenging part is probably having to sand every part to make it work together. It took a really long time.
How did you do the parts?
I 3D printed all of them from a thing that I found online. And originally there were instructions, but then I got bored of them and decided to just put them together based on like what looked like it put together. Any other questions? Thank you.